This piece of paper is in the back of the packet. Before you hand it in, please make sure that your name, number, and date is on the top. Let's talk about what I want you to do. It says multiplication strategies. There are 4 strategies that we use to multiply numbers: arrays, multiples, which is skip counting, repeated addition, and groups. And the directions say solve the multiplication problems below by using all of the multiplication strategies. And the first top box, it says 8 times 3 equals something. So what I want you to do is I want you to create an array of 8 times 3. You could also do 3 times 8. I want you to create equal groups of 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. Show me repeated addition, which is 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 3 added 8 times. And then the multiples. Now the multiples is also called skip counting, as in 8, 16, 24, or 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24. So that's the 4 ways I want you to represent multiplication. So you're going to do that with 8 times 3, 12 times 4, and on the back of the page we have 9 times 5 and 6 times 8. So you're going to show those 4 multiplication problems with arrays, groups, repeated addition, and multiples. When you're done with this paper, please put it in the pathway section and move on to the next step.